like to understand what the Internet of Things is and how it works? Well, that's what this course is all about. Hi, I'm Amir Jam, PhD student of IT engineering at Ecolda Technology Superior with 7 years of experience in this field. Dear friends, it's time to come up with our creativity of smart systems into the world and create the devices and systems with our own hands. During this course, we come by the most famous module of the Internet of Things. Let's work with IoT chip and learn how to communicate it with other systems and work with the Wi-Fi to connect to the Internet. We have an excellent course ahead that your creativity will flourish and you will be able to implement your thoughts in practice. The Internet of Things is an integral part of today's world system, and those who learn the Internet of Things can earn a lot of money.
In this course, we'll start learning how to work with Internet of Things board, and come up with very simple methods, and programming on chip to achieve a device. We will use advanced topics and learn how to produce and sell industrial boards, and many interesting things deal with industrial Internet of Things.
Red, blue, romance, off, on,
During the course, we need equipment that you can easily purchase it through the Internet. We first introduce the chips and boards of the ESP and DSP8266, the most famous chip for Internet of Things, and then start the work together, see what software we need, how to install and how to put the project in them. Also, we have a series of electronic introductions because we want to connect electronic devices to computers. Electronic issues you need to know simply, but you do not want to know how to use heavy electronic formations. I will tell you that it's so simple and sweet and you will not need any specialized stuff. We will have a series of theoretical sessions that will take practical steps to create Internet of Things devices. Dear friends, welcome to Learning Internet of Things course. I am Amir Jam and I want to introduce a very interesting topic of setting up a super professional and efficient IoT server. This server is Things board and has many functions, including extremely professional monitoring.
If you want to set up a sensor monitoring system for your organization and control them, you can use the Super Server. This server has awesome capabilities, including different panels.
You can design your own dashboards on the server in great detail, and you can easily create these dashboards for yourself. Upload information through sensors and IoT devices to your server and view them. This server has many widgets and features to monitor and control the sensors. You can fully customize all of these widgets and design what you like for your organization.
When you use production level for an organization and want to set up a server, you need a platform that has many flexibilities to accommodate your organization's needs.
In a company, you may have different sensors. For example, a data center with the different rooms and different server rooms. You can use IoT monitoring for each room and create a map and plan for control and monitor your sensors on those plans. Also, you have the ability to view your GPS systems and alarms on this server. This server has a very advanced panel.
Dear friends, with this server you can create different types of devices and libraries. For example, you can view your sensors information by plugins predefined by this server. Things board server has the capabilities of MQTT, HTTP and REST API and has all the connectivity API features of the Internet of Things, and you have the ability to come up with different plugins or even define the plugin by yourself and manage them. You can get different widgets and create different capabilities to control and setting them up. You can define users and tenants. You can define specific rules and you can add different plugins with various options to view all details of your sensor devices, and this makes an awesome platform. This platform needs training because of its complexity, and you need to know about the details of this system and get familiar with its architecture. The cool feature of this platform is that you can view and even edit all of the plugins in this server and make what you imagine. You can view these plugins in full screen and uses for your organization and set up a super professional monitoring center.
We have famous and large companies in the world who use this platform. It's completely open source and you can change it to your own needs, and you can install on Windows or on Linux, and we're working on both. And I'll teach you how to configure your dashboard and plugins. How do you configure attributes, telemetry data and etc. This course will be very useful for improving your skills in Industrial Internet of Things.
Dear friends, this server has the ability to define different branches and tenants. Also, it has the ability to define the settings of alarms and email and its output, and you can define users with privilege at different levels. You can distribute devices between the user and tenants. You can define different MQTT and connect different devices together and implement an extremely complex system easily.
One of the best features of this server is the ability to monitor very powerful widgets such as digital gauges that you can see the output of your sensors digitally. Also, you have a PIO widget that, if you have Raspberry Pi or ESP8266 devices, you can view the output and modify them according to your needs. You can completely monitor your data in any way you need, place it anywhere on the dashboard, create fully custom dashboards and have the device associated with those alarms. A security system of this server has a very high security level and you can use tokens or encryption to protect different devices.
Internal MQTT server is inside this server for connecting various devices to the internet. COAP HTTP is fully supported by this server, and you can use it also as a gateway. It has the clustering capabilities. You can define multiple clusters for this server and associate these with each other. The server also has the ability to send your information to other servers and act as a broker.
Well, the most comprehensive training course on the Internet of Things will start very soon.